How to fix Outlook connectivity issues on Windows 11. 1. Restart Outlook and your router. 2. For IT admins, 2.1 Ensure the users have permission to access Outlook. Read more, enable or disable Outlook on the web access to mailboxes in Exchange Server. 2.2 Remove and then reassign Microsoft 365 licenses for affected users. 2.3 Disable IPv6. 3. Disable firewall temporarily and then re-add your account via Windows settings. 4. Update Outlook. 5. Disable Endpoint Detection and Response, EDR, security software. 6. Repair Outlook account. 7. Use Outlook on the web, OWA.